If you want to upgrade your packing and travel like a pro, you're in the right place. Get ready to see 11 awesome travel gear that make packing easier, trips smoother, and travel way more enjoyable without breaking the bank. And once you start using these, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Let's start with something every traveler needs, the Dentrex Travel Toothbrush. Instead of carrying a bulky brush and a full toothpaste tube, Dentrex collapses into its own protective case, keeping the bristles clean and hygienic inside your bag. The body is made from durable titanium, so it's lightweight, strong, and perfect for rugged trips or everyday carry. The real genius feature is the magnetic toothpaste pod that attaches directly to the handle. That means no messy tubes and no leaks in your luggage. I've tried a lot of travel toothbrush solutions, and most of them feel like compromises. This one actually feels like an upgrade. This next item makes packing liquids easier than ever. Meet Trimco travel toiletry containers to carry your creams, shampoos, and lotions safely. These are the best leak-proof jars I've used. Cheap travel bottles are famous for leaking. These don't. They use a dual-threaded sealing system with silicone gaskets that create a seriously tight, airtight seal. What I love most is the modular design. You can twist them together to create different sizes depending on your trip. They even come with magnetic labels, so you always know what's inside. If you travel with skincare or toiletries at all, this set is a must-have. Next, meet the smart storage solution for toiletries, Elviro's hanging toiletry bag. It completely changed how I organize my bathroom gear on the road. I love the 3-in-1 design because I can separate sections if I want something smaller for a short trip or keep it as one big organizer for longer travel. The material is water resistant, the pockets are clear, and it holds way more than you expect. It opens up and hangs right on a hook or towel rack, so suddenly all your toiletries are visible and easy to grab. I've taken this thing on countless trips now, and it still looks and works great. After traveling with it, I honestly can't imagine going back to a regular toiletry bag. Item number 4 is something really small, but honestly one of the most used things in my travel bag, the Dansib Power Mist Hand Sanitizer Sprays. I never used to think much about sanitizer until I started traveling more. Airports, planes, taxis, public bathrooms, you're touching so many surfaces all day long. These little sprays are perfect because they're tiny enough to slip into a pocket or backpack, and I can pull one out anytime I need it. I like these specifically because they don't dry out my hands as most sanitizers do, and the fine mist make them easy and quick to use. I keep one in my day bag, one in my carry-on, and usually one in my car when I'm traveling. If you hate carrying bulky backpacks while sightseeing, this Weru small sling bag is perfect. This little sling bag is the perfect middle ground. It's lightweight, compact, and holds just the essentials: phone, wallet, passport, keys, maybe a small power bank. This bag is lightweight, water resistant, and has just the right amount of pockets. What I really like is the hidden anti-theft pocket on the back. When I'm in crowded places like airports, trains, or busy tourist areas, it gives me a lot more peace of mind. Once you start traveling with a compact sling like this, it's hard to go back to stuffing everything in your pockets. Next up is the ESR MagSafe Wallet Stand, a versatile gadget that combines a wallet, phone stand, and travel accessory in one sleek design. It snaps right onto the back of my phone and holds up to 5 cards, which is perfect for an ID, a couple of credit cards, and maybe some cash. What really sold me though is the built-in stand. On flights or long train rides, I can flip it open and watch movies or videos hands-free without trying to prop my phone up on random objects. It also has RFID blocking, so my cards stay protected. It's simple, slim, and super practical, and at this point, it's become part of my everyday travel setup. 7th gadget I love to carry is the Hodo Flashlight Duo. I know a flashlight doesn't sound like the most exciting piece of travel gear, but this one has saved me more times than I expected. What I love is how versatile it is. It has multiple lighting modes, a magnetic base, and even a hook so you can hang it up like a mini lantern. I've used it during power outages, camping trips, night walks, and even just for finding things in the car. It's one of those items you don't need every single day, but when you need it, you're really glad it's in your bag. Now it comes with me on almost every trip and is one of the most underrated travel items. If there's one piece of tech I never travel with, it's a serious power bank. The Tech power bank is an absolute beast. It's powerful enough to charge not just my phone, but also my tablet, headphones, and even a laptop if I need to. It has fast charging, multiple ports, and a digital display that shows exactly how much battery is left, which I really appreciate. I've used cheaper power banks in the past that were slow or unreliable, but this one just works every time. On long travel days, layovers, or road trips, it completely removes the stress of hunting for an outlet. If you love hot drinks while traveling, this portable electric kettle is a lifesaver. I drink a lot of tea and coffee, and I learned pretty quickly that you can't always rely on hotel kettles. Having my own small kettle means I can make a hot drink wherever I am, whenever I want. This one is compact, heats up fast, and even has different temperature settings depending on what you're making. I've used it for coffee in hotel rooms, instant noodles on long trips, and even just for having hot water late at night. It packs easily into my suitcase and doesn't take up much space. It's not a gadget I thought I needed at first, but after traveling with it, I can't imagine leaving it behind. Dirty laundry is always a problem when you're traveling. This CanBox compression laundry bag fixes that. You just put your used clothes inside, roll them up, and squeeze the air out through the one-way valve. Suddenly, everything is compressed down and neatly separated from your clean stuff. It's waterproof, durable, and really easy to use. I've taken it on beach trips for wet swimsuits, gym clothes, and long vacations where laundry builds up fast. Instead of my suitcase turning into a messy pile halfway through a trip, everything stays organized. Lastly, the final 11th item on the list is incredibly important for travelers who need medication. The Gossamai Insulin Travel Cooler is designed to hold pens, syringes, and supplies securely. Even if you personally don't need something like this, chances are you know someone who does, and having a reliable way to keep medicine safe while traveling is huge. This case uses reusable ice packs and an insulated interior to keep insulin and other medications at the right temperature for hours. I really like that it has a built-in thermometer so you can actually see what temperature it's holding at instead of just guessing. And there you have it, 11 awesome travel gear that can seriously upgrade the way you travel. All the products featured are linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.